Hey guys. Hey guys, Quandale Dingle here.
What am I supposed to do?
I'm gonna be playing Shipper and Sons Lumberco.
Why don't you try finding chomping,
I'll give you this one. You
chomping down?
Touch receive, press the button when you see flash. Okay. Off you go. You got 1 acre. You got plants. Okay. Please wait. Okay. Oh come on! No arrow keys. No arrow key support. Or no arrow key support. It's just this. It feels like a mobile game.
Well, too bad because we're playing it. Wait, we have to title it Pro vs Hacker versus Noob, and then it'll get all the views.
Yeah, it'll get all the views from children.
Yeah. If we make it for kids, we'll get a lot of views.
True. Pro vs Hacker. No wait. Noob versus Pro vs Hacker. Oh no wait, because we don't have 3 people. Oh yeah, I need to water the tree.
I have no idea what I'm doing. And this feels like I'm playing a mobile game.
Yeah, because you have to click the arrows. Just add arrow keys. Just make it arrow keys or WASD.
This guy that made this game was the guy that made FNAF.
Yeah, and FNAF World.
That's hard to think about.
Yeah. Except it being FNAF World is kind of easy to think about because it's kind of like the same art style.
Yeah. But still, FNAF World is a lot better of a game. FNAF World is way underrated.
Yeah, and people hated it because it was FNAF but cute. But Scott literally acknowledged that in the trailer.
Yeah. If people didn't like FNAF but cute, then why would they play it?
Yeah, why would he re-release the game on Game Jolt?
I encountered a FNAF World enemy. Oh, Squiddy, how unfortunate.
Uh-oh, how unfortunate.
Plants a tree. Oh, that's how you make it grow. I'm an idiot.
Yeah, you use your watering can.
Yeah. Oh wow. I never realized that.
I've still got the soundboard, so I can just find boom.
What other sound effects do you have? Don't play that. What the heck?
I covered it up with Vine Boom so we don't get demonetized. Ew, monster.
I mean,
Eradicated with water. Redwood.
But
Common
what?
wood.
I
am sad. Wait, this is a redwood tree.
Mini game.
I just got a redwood tree. I got a screenshot though. Oh.
Is this like Minesweeper or like what? I don't understand.
Yay, redwood.
Oh,
I don't like how it doesn't use arrow keys or A and D. Just feels bad.
Yeah, I mean,
like a mobile game.
We eventually got the hang of it with Five Nights at Freddy's and made one of the best horror games of all time.
Yeah, one of the most popular. Oh, hey, there's just an X button in the corner instead of pressing the escape.
In this game, I'm going to literally die.
If it was Tycoon Sons, I would actually die. Because that game actually has like FNAF 4-esque elements. Also, the kids watching this video will know what esque means.
Oh yeah.
So we gotta fill it with sound effects.
Yeah.
Riz.
Oh look, I'm just stomping on those guys.
Yeah, also the little guys that appear, you gotta water them to death. You gotta drown them. You gotta hydrate them.
Oh, that's cool, lumber bot. What is this? Why is it red?
Oh, it gives you redwood.
Oh, like red tree from Minecraft.
You mean Akia?
No, Minecraft.
I am Sudno. I have 99 common wood. All.
I need some more.
Great. Why don't you try planting a tree now? Find some soil and plant an acorn. You have an unlimited supply. Yeah, I've done that. Button. Click. Great job. Enough with spoon feeding, babe. Wanna go? Okay. We're gonna explore.
Give me more land.
We're gonna oh my god. 1,000. There was a 1,000 tree. I want to grow a 1,000 tree.
I'm gonna build Lumberbot 2. Oh wait, I can't. I'm too poor.
Stork's Crossing.
You know what? Industrialize it.
Oh my, that's a big boy. That's a big bad boy. Common wood. Moss wood?
Ooh,
So you're telling me there's gonna be green trees?
guys, leave a like
What
and
is-
comment.
what is
if you
this
like
guy?
it.
It's a termite. Well,
And comment
our
if you
furry
get it.
nemesis has created an offspring. How dreadful. Yes, your father and I go way back. Did you know he once dressed like a giant termite and climbed our highest mound? He dropped a bomb right down into the middle of it. Oh boy, there were some mothers crying that day. What a kidder. I have high hopes for you though. I think you have a good head on your shoulders. If you come across any wood scraps, just bring them over. Maybe we can help each other out. Please wait.
Who's walking there?
Okay. Yeah, just bring by any sticks that you find laying around. Right now you don't have enough. Okay. I hate how it doesn't... Mask tree? He wears a mask with a smile for hours at a time? No way, this tree wears a mask with a smile for hours at a time. I think we're probably gonna get copyrighted for that. Well,
Oh. No, we won't.
oh yeah, it was less than 7 seconds. It was less than 7 seconds of me singing. Dreams mask.
Oh, it's raining. No! Rain, come again today.
500 tree. Oh, when you cut down a tree over here, sticks fall out. That makes sense.
Wait, oh, he doesn't even have an axe. He just eats it.
Yeah. He eats the tree because he's a beaver. He's also a chainsaw. His teeth are chainsaws in disguise. Ah! Weird guys. Redwood. Mosswood. Richwood. Yay.
Axe. My
This
dad-
wood is has a lot of money. This wood is very has a lot of money. Perfect sense. No way, yay, yay. Dong, ding, dong. Dong, ding, ding. Boom, bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam. Aw, man, I don't have enough sticks. Oh, wait, I can build
This
lumber
game is
box.
actually kind of.
Ah! Monster mini mound. Redwood. And richwood, yay. At least you can hold down the arrows so you can move in between rooms. Oh wait, 6 can just drop out of the sky. Oh hey trees. Oh hey chipper. Cut down. Build. Yay, I got 100 beaver points. Wow, monster. Rich wood. This wood is expensive. What are beaver points? I guess these guys make wood for me.
And
I've got 3 beaver bots.
Yeah. So, go to Lucas's channel, Epic Gamer. Yeah, try to find his channel. I don't know if you can. Oh, just go to the description. You'll find him in my description.
Wait, no, just make an end card for the video. I've made end cards before.
Like, just make an end card. So just watch till the end, and then you can find him, or look in the description right now if you don't want to wait.
Yeah, same with my friend here.
And
We're in a Discord call right now. Not Zoom, not Google Meet, and I'm not sponsored by either. I'm not sponsored by any companies right now because I am not popular.
you're popular, Ace. You have a 3.4 thousand view short.
True. But I have like 14 subs.
Okay, good point. That'll wrap it up for today, and I will see you
Insert
next
sad
time.
Megamind meme here. 1,000 tree. Finally, I've made it in 1,000 tree. How much wood is this gonna give me? No way! Yay!
Did it give you a lot of...
Yeah. It's a lot. Great job, Tyke. I knew you could do it. Sure, the watering part makes you look like a little daisy, but the manly set of beaver teeth more than makes up for it. Keep up the good work, and I'll keep giving you more land and fancy blueprints. There's something else I've been meaning to talk to you about, son. It's time to start thinking about the future. For that reason, I'll set you up on a dirt for tonight. Don't worry, you'll love her. Now off you go. 1 acre plans. Ooh, a cutscene. This looks like a slideshow. I have to warn you, my last boyfriend said I was very shellfish. It was perfect. She just slid right out. 1 red lumber. Sturdy lumber. Lumber. Enough with the spoon. Okay. Explore. Ah, big guy. Not tiki bird. I got decorations. Okay, page 1, page 2. Lumberbot 2.0. Ooh, spooky. 3.0, red lumber, moss lumber, stylish palm, and lumberbot. Okay. Ah, big guy. What's he gonna give me? Grapes. Delicious. Eat some grapes. They're grapefruits. Or are they berries? I don't know. All I know is that for some reason, bananas are berries, and so are watermelons. And not raspberries. Well, not raspberry. Probably raspberries. But blackberries, for some reason, aren't berries. Blackberries, one of the best berries I have ever eaten. The berries that grew in my grandma's backyard, because yes, she kind of did have a farm. Every time when we would go to her house and she was growing pumpkins, we'd probably see her recording on her iPhone where she took a video of a possum eating a pumpkin.
Wait, your grandma took a video?
I don't know, maybe she took a picture of it. I don't remember.
I don't know, maybe you took a video of it. I don't remember.
Yeah, she had an iPhone. And it's raining! Yes! Give me that wood.
Oh wait, I have 11 subscribers? Holy crap, I didn't know that.
I didn't know that either. Beaver.
I'm catching up to you. Wow, You're going down. When I start making shorts in 5 years.
After that, in 5 years, they'd probably call shorts longs. Not long, not shorts longs. Videos longs. Shorts, longs. Oh.
No, there will be minis and bigs. Minis and megas.
Oh yeah, they'll call shorts minis. They'll call, they'll make a new thing called a medium.
Oh no! Oh no!
It's just a short but longer.
Oh no!
And they have to make a thing called a mega. They have to. It's scientifically proven that they have to make that YouTube in 5 years or I don't know. When Freddy in Space, the original deadline comes out, which was 2030. YouTube short. There will be a thing on YouTube called a medium. And it's just YouTube shorts, but longer. It's just the setting on TikTok that lets you have 3-minute long TikToks. I should make some richwood lumber. Ah, big guy. Oak porthole. Common wood. Common wood. Common wood. Richwood. All. Sturdy lumber. Common wood. Bam. That's a lot of lumber. Give me that. I got more grapes. Yeah. Lumberbot 2.0.
I almost just accidentally stole a thumbnail.
Wait.
Because YouTube is being annoying. It almost made me steal a thumbnail.
How?
It showed me a thumbnail when I went to Google Images, and I almost put it and used it.
Phew. No copyright. No copyright here. Just copy and paste images from Google Images. That might be stealing, but I don't know. I'm just copy and pasting them into Microsoft Paint. And most of the time, I just let YouTube auto-generate a thumbnail.
Oh, that's why your long-form content doesn't get too many.
Yeah, but the pig patch jump scare on the UCN video was really good. Yay, and a 1,000 tree with redwood. Yummy, yummy. We needed that.
What? You got copyrighted?
Oh wait, you can just make it. You're doing great out there. You make an beaver proud.
YouTube.
It's little moments like this that make the war against the termites worth fighting. Surely you've seen their unquenchable thirst for blood or wood, mostly wood. It's still tragic. If only your mother were here, she would weep, and hopefully she would be making pies as well. Just like the DanTDM girlfriend mod. As DanTDM said, like once, go make me a sandwich. Old DanTDM intro. Oh yeah, you have a date tonight. Yeehaw! This one's a winner for sure. 1 acre plans. Yippee! Later that night.
Oh wow, I have an 8,000 tree.
Tell I'm a female because I have a bow in my head.
Oh, 9,000 tree. I'm gonna make a 10,000 tree.
A 10,000 tree?
Yeah, because I just went AFK.
Oh, makes sense.
Because I uploaded the video.
Already?
Yeah. You gotta upload the video faster, so it'll have more time to get more views. It's already up. You can go to my channel right now and watch it. Which you should. Go do it. Right now. Every day, all day.
Anyway, guys, I think this is gonna be the end of my
Oh,
23
you're
minute
still
video.
recording?
Yes. So, bye, guys. Go visit Zeke's channel right now.
Yes, visit me.
Totally good.
10,000 trees.
The best outro moment.